How to fix Facebook's professional mode not showing. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can fix if professional mode isn't being shown on Facebook. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If Facebook is not showing the professional mode option, then there could be various reasons for this. If you launch the Facebook app and normally to make your account a professional account, you go to your profile page, tap on this little three dots icon here. And if you're not seeing this option called turn on professional mode, there could be various reasons. The first is if you have locked your Facebook profile. So tap on the three dots option and you will see this option called lock profile. So let me show you. If I actually lock my profile, what happens is I won't be able to see the option called professional mode. So here you can see the professional mode will be grayed out. So what you have to do is just unlock this profile and make sure to unlock your profile, and after that only you'll be able to turn on professional mode on your Facebook account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.